Hi mommies, let's have a quick tip sa mga anak natin regarding their studies, lalo na sa math. Kapag gusto niyo silang maging magaling sa math problem solving, ang kailangan natin gawin ay maghanda lang tayo even just one word problem. Sabihin natin kahit isang beses lang sa isang araw. Why? Kasi kung paulit-ulit nilang ginagawa to, like hindi naman kasama sa math topic nila sa school, mas gagaling sila. Kasi katulad na lang, if they love playing basketball, ano ginagawa nila? Diba? Every day that they get home, they will find time to play basketball. Kahit nga sa loob ng school diba? Maglalaro sila pag recess or lunchtime. If they love something, they will keep on doing it. If you want them to love math, then come up with even just one word problem kada isang araw for them to solve para they will be engaged and they will never forget how to analyze and solve word problems. Kaya yan, madali lang yan. Bakit hindi na lang natin gawin na medyo fun ang problem solving? Let's create yung mga games na involves word problem para naman ma-enjoy nila. And you can do this again, even just once lang sa isang araw. Why don't we try it?